What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock and also the overall market. And I just want to get the facts straight, okay? Because a lot of people have a lot of things to say about me, saying I have no idea what I'm doing, saying I'm a hype man, saying this is euphoria and I'm just riding the wave. But here are the facts. When we had the 2020 crash, I bought the dip. My portfolio saw all-time highs. When we had that 2022, 2023 inflation crash, I bought the dip. My portfolio seen new all-time highs. When we just had that recent 2025 tariff announcement headline crash, I bought the dip. My portfolio is at all-time highs. So what are you haters talking about? What are you doing with your life? Because I'm doing what I need to be doing and I'm being a real investor. All you guys that claim you're expert day traders and stuff like that, well, I got a 3-year return over 350%. 3 years, not 1 year, not 2 years. That's because I buy the dip when the opportunity arrives and you guys just run your mouth. Do you understand what we're going for? Do you know what GOAT means? Greatest of all time, because we do exactly what we need to do. All you haters are just clowns. You guys are cracking me up. So what we're going to do is we're going to reveal the entire portfolio to you once SoFi breaks 50 bucks. And anybody talking about SoFi being a meme stock is an absolute clown and has no idea what they're talking about. If you're riding this SoFi train with me, you're going to be riding this train all the way to the promised land with massive profits. I'm telling you guys right now, it's just going to take a little bit more time. These Q3 and Q4 numbers are going to be monster quarters, and these are going to be the quarters that send us to the promised land. S&P 500 inclusion, where SoFi is going to absolutely smash through the S&P 500 rankings in the blink of an eye, because the revenue growth, the profitability to the bottom line, the marketing is just absolutely phenomenal across the board. This is going to be a stock that is leading my entire portfolio, and you guys already know the strategy that I'm doing to have these types of returns. We're taking extremely profitable leap options off the top, diversifying into other high quality names that are extremely beat down. I don't buy green, I buy bloody. I want the stock to look like it's absolutely demolished to nothing, and then I go in for the kill and add it to the portfolio. That is what we do. We find the highest quality names trading at a discount. We got 9 other stocks listed for you to diversify your portfolio out further inside of the VIP Patreon group. Anybody that has joined the VIP Patreon group recently, drop a comment. Tell everybody the true value that you're getting each and every single day. You don't want one of those fund managers at Morgan Stanley or JP Morgan that have the handcuffs on them, guys. You want someone that has the cuffs off of them and that is going to provide you with the highest returns possible, that doesn't have some corporate protocol that they have to follow on the investment strategy, guys. I'm going to put you in the highest quality names and we're going to absolutely destroy the S&P 500. Let's be real. The S&P 500 has 200 names that are absolutely garbage inside of them. I mean, we're talking companies with negative growth that are under the market cap requirements. The S&P 500, if you want to go get your 15% returns, go ahead and do that. I don't have time for that. I'm trying to absorb as many assets as possible inside of this market. When opportunity arrives in any macro volatility, we're going to be the first ones taking a jump on any discounted assets. That's what we do inside of this VIP Patreon group. We're going to get your money right. Guys, I'm telling you right now, don't listen to the haters. Follow the path. You're going to succeed with time inside of the market. It's not about time in the market. It's about time in the market. And that's exactly what I've done the past 5.5 years. I buy every single massive bear correction there is, and my portfolio continues to come out higher on top. And when the next opportunity arrives, we're going to do it again. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. We got a great video for you today. All right, we had some decent inflation data today. You can see SoFi, every time we continue to break over 26 bucks, they try to hammer this bad boy down. And we got the weekly call option flush. Guys, we've been avoiding weekly calls for the past couple of years. We don't do this. Anyone buying weekly calls is still an amateur hour, guys. And this is just how you continue to lose money betting on stocks in the short term. And you can see we had the weekly options flush, 145,000 call open interest. People are still buying these each and every single week, while market makers are just laughing on their yachts because, you know, it's just easy money, guys. Just people are getting cream. So once again, we don't buy short-term calls anymore. We haven't done that in years. We're buying long-term leap options with lower volatility that is going to allow you to absorb all the time inside of the market for SoFi to drop the continuous catalyst, which some of the big ones we're waiting on is the crypto launch, the level 1 options, another loan platform business deal, 10 Galileo deals closed. You're going to get all of that packed inside of a leap option. We got 3 leap options inside of the VIP Patreon for you. If you're trying to get into those, they have different levels of volatility, high risk, moderate risk, low risk. So when you buy longer term leap options, you have the ability to not get hammered by short-term volatility flushes every Friday where the market makers try to cream you. You can see these call options are up 484% as of yesterday. These leaps I bought for a $25 call, 484% return, $32,000 profit, trading at 660. But I'm going to show you guys exactly what happens on a day like today where the stock gets flushed on a Friday. Rather than being down 30, 40, 50% on a weekly option today, you can see the leap options are only down about 5% today, okay? They're barely getting hit at all, okay? We lost about 5% return. They went from 40,000 profit down to $38,000 profit. So this is why you get inside of leaps. You can handle the volatility inside of the market in the short term. And when you get more crazy volatility, that's when you start to average down. So we're seeing the IPO market really start to pick up. As you guys can see, we're seeing a lot of companies, go to the market at crazy valuations. And we saw that with Chime. We kept hearing about these insane valuations, 20 billion, 30 billion. But finally, when they went to the market, we finally got to take a look at the numbers. And you can see they are now trading at a market cap of 10 billion compared to SoFi's 30 billion. Our EBITDA on SoFi is 900 million. Chime's is only 100 million. So when you look at the price to EBITDA right now, even after the Chime sell-off, we're trading at 33 times EBITDA, while Chime is still trading at 100 times EBITDA. You need to understand what you are buying. You need to look at the numbers, guys. Chime is nowhere near the quality of SoFi right now. SoFi is the horse you want to bet on. This is going to be the company that is going to get into the S&P 500 very, very soon, and you're going to see inflows from all across the world pile into this name. And I'm telling you right now, the big money is going to be made once this stock clears that $30, that all-time highs, because people are going to be looking for a double. Institutions are just going to be getting in, and the big money is going to really be made when the stock clears about $60, $75, $100 per share. We're still so early. These are the baby gains. We're just getting warmed up. The company is just starting to blossom into what it's going to become, which is a company producing billions and billions of dollars down to the bottom line, because they're stealing all of the market share from legacy banks. No one can stop them. Look at the numbers. Check the marketing. Check the financials. 44% growth on the last quarter. This is going to be the stock that continues to lead my portfolio, even though I'm diversifying into an additional 10 other names, which you can see exactly what stocks I'm buying right now with the dollar cost average inside of the VIP Patreon. Guys, I'm telling you, we are going to take you to the promised land. There's no one going to be investing as much time as me inside of the market, doing all the due diligence for you. None of these asset managers at JP Morgan or Morgan Stanley are going to put as much time into the market as I am for you guys. Let's take a look at this. SoFi did have a little bit of volatility today, because you can see Anthony Noto, there was some headlines about some shares being, sold and stuff like that. But take a look. So Anthony Noto is taking out a cash loan of $24 million and will sell shares in 2028 to pay back the loan. Floor price is $18.21 and cap price is $49.18 per share. He's done this once before, and the terms are very similar for this loan as well. He deserves it for all he's done. So as you see other CEOs and CFOs selling shares on the open market, Anthony Noto is getting a loan on his shares. He doesn't even have to sell the shares, and he's getting cash up front, because the providers, Goldman Sachs, knows the quality of SoFi and what he's holding on to. He's holding on to liquid gold. They are more than happy to give him a loan and charge an interest, because they believe this is going to go up in value as well. So guys, Anthony Noto is not selling his shares. He is taking upfront cash, planning to sell his shares in 2028. What type of confidence does that show you in a CEO, guys? I'm telling you right now, we are going to the promised land. And here's the big one, guys. We got the Fed decision in September. This is going to be massive for your future, and I want each and every single one of you guys to be ready for this, because it is going to have insane volatility heading up to that rate cut, okay? These next 2 weeks could be very choppy. There could be some amazing opportunities inside of the market. And once again, inside of my VIP Patreon group, you are going to get the best buying opportunities when they arrive, the second they arrive. Even though we have an 81% chance of a 25 basis point rate cut, there could still be volatility. So we want to be prepared. So now's the time to start stacking cash. We got a long weekend with Labor Day. I'm telling you guys right now, you need to take advantage, because we are going to enter a lower interest rate environment, and companies are going to start to produce faster growth, and a company like SoFi is going to receive massive benefits from an interest rate cut heading our way. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. We're going to continue to keep you updated on all the breaking news with the SoFi stock, the overall market. Guys, I'm telling you, stay focused, stay invested inside of the market, follow your game plan, and you will see your portfolio blossom just like I have over these last 3 bear market corrections directions, it's not going to stop me. When opportunity arrives, that is when you strike. That is where you get the bigger gains inside of your portfolio. You need to buy the fear. Red is your friend. We look for high quality names trading at a discount each and every single day. You're going to get that inside of the VIP Patreon group. Sign up. You will not regret it. Be sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Hope you guys have a great day.